Hello Stoner Stars, welcome back for another art lesson. Today we're going to be doing an origami dog face and or an origami cat face. So for this lesson, you will need some blank paper, some scissors, and some colored markers, particularly a black marker to do the eyes and the nose and stuff. A couple of notes about this project. So the dog face is easier than the cat face, so we're going to start with the dog. And if you're in kindergarten, I would recommend starting with the dog face first. First graders, I think the cat will be okay for you too. Parents, please make sure that your child is doing it on their own. I tried to make this lesson easier than the swan, so hopefully students will be able to do it on their own. If not, that's fine, you can help them out, but I want them to try to do it on their own. Okay, so we're gonna start the same way we did the swan by making a square piece of paper. So if you remember, we folded our paper, we took this line, we folded it to the top, like this. This is the dog. We're gonna start with the dog, by the way. And then we're gonna cut off the rectangle. Okay. So now for the dog, you don't have to unfold the paper. This will be the first fold, so we fold it in half diagonally. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the ears. So how we're gonna do this, we're gonna take this point, this corner, and we're gonna fold it down like this. And then we're gonna take the other corner, we're gonna put our fingers in the middle here, like this. We're gonna fold it down like this. Now it's okay if your ears aren't quite even. You can always refold it, make it bigger or smaller. My ears look okay to me. And now we're gonna make the nose. So the nose, we're just gonna take this corner and we're going to fold it up like this. Now for the second part, you can either take this tip, you can fold it down to make a nose like that. I personally like to fold it back and make my own nose with a marker like this. So now I'll show you how to draw some eyes and a nose on your dog. So I just make two big circles in the middle. Your eyes can be however you want. This is just how I do it. And then I like to make a circular nose. And then dogs have the little, I don't know what to call these, their mouth. And then I might like to make some little dots here for their whiskers. And then I want you to feel free to color your dog however you want. I made some examples, so I don't know if you guys ever watched Blue's Clues or if you still watch Blue's Clues, but I made blue and magenta as dog face origami, and then here are a couple other dog breeds, you could say, and then this is the big dog. All right, so that is the puppy. Next, we're gonna do the cat. All right, so the cat is gonna start the same. And we're gonna make a square again. So we're gonna fold this up like this. We're gonna cut off the end. All right, this time we're gonna open up and everyone should have a line down the middle. Next, we're going to fold this point to the middle so that it looks like this. And then we're going to fold this part back over like this. Next, we're going to take the whole triangle and we are going to fold it in half. There's more layers of paper, so it's a little harder to fold. And then we're gonna fold it in half, and right away we're gonna unfold it because we just need this crease in the middle. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this point and we're gonna fold it all the way up to this point so that it looks like this. And then this line will also be meeting this line, if that helps you. Like that. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and now our triangle has now become a square or a diamond. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this corner. Notice how this corner, it doesn't have any loose flaps. This corner does have loose flaps, so you wanna make sure that you're working with the corner with no loose flaps. You're going to fold it down just a little bit like this, okay? Then we're gonna take one of our loose flaps and we're gonna fold it all the way up. So it's like this. We're gonna fold it all the way up so that this line meets here. And we're gonna fold it just like that. It'll make more sense once we turn it over. So like that. Then we're gonna take the other flap, we're gonna do the same thing. Fold it all the way up like this. Then you're gonna take the bottom point and you're gonna fold it in like that. Now, if we turn it all over, we get the cat face. And this one you really need to draw a face on it so that it looks like something. This is how I draw my cat face. Two circles. We'll have it looking off this way. And then the nose is just a little triangle. And then the mouth. And on cats, I like to do long whiskers like this. And then you can color the cat however you want. I tried to make mine like a tabby cat, like an orange striped cat. And that is it for today's origami lesson. I can't wait to see your dogs and cats that you create. If you want, you can give them a name and give them a little story. You can make a little family again if you want. So I can't wait to see the ways you can be creative with this. And have a great rest of your day. Bye.